Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. We are going to upload with the description of the video, so please consider to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up before watching. Yeah, bless up, guys. Alright, so me could start it official so you can understand though. Yeah, so since recently you don't know Spice and one bag of drama never ends. So this pastor out of nowhere, post and featured song with Spice all of a sudden, Yeah, and that not really it, News, Jamaica start find it, and the people them, it caught a lot of people attention. But was surprised with when Spice made the post on her Instagram snap, and say, "I'm tired, take out my voice out of the song." She also make an next post, guys, and say, "Besties, I'm taking a break from social media. I'm not as strong as I used to be. In fact, I'm weak and tired of being a target. Please pray for me while I pray for myself. I love you all until the death of me." Yeah, guys, so I don't know, it sounds real to me when I did hear the song. If you don't hear it as it, I advise you to hear it. Word for word, you can see them sit down and write that song, though. Other than that, we'd just like to say Spice remove herself from social media right now, and from that she make an post, guys. We just watch and go and see. See, we have a friend named Pamputtae. Fat girl, better you can do this fluffy, yeah. See she with good words so back.
Be a facts me talk when I come to my life. I don't sit down and come talk about nobody. Only way hear my voice, if somebody say something about me, and I feel like answer, I answer. Well, people talk some bad things from what they have, I not even look at them. Because me say God on time. Nothing no worry me. Because God a cover me right through. Tell them not trouble me. For all of the people them out there, we are say Pamputtae and mock God or whatever. Me can never mock God. No time. Because a music me sing, I shall sing as long as I live, and as long as I live, I shall sing. All when me 100, God give me talent, I shall sing. And it's not only Christian alone God love the whole of we. God not pick and choose who to bless. All of we get blessing. But some of which we fast enough and spend time doing other rest of things we not see if we want. I want to catch our own. Because we busy fast from people want. Remember so when Marshall sing one of the biggest gospel songs and them fight him, say man a Christian, Remember that, and it shouldn't be like that, God love the whole of we, whether you baptize or you not baptize, Because know all the people baptize and them nah live right. So me no want nobody come tell me nothing, God for the whole of we. And anything me want sing, me sing. Anything me want sing, me sing. So me no want nobody come tell me about why Tanisha share the song with me and me in a dance hall and whatever. I know so it go. Because some of the Christian them, instead of them pray to God, them pastor them pray to, Most of the time some of them do them something there, And I got if I pray to, It no matter where I wear, it no matter if I'm black, it no matter if I'm white, it no matter if my body real or it fake, it no matter if I'm ugly, it no matter if I'm pretty. God give the whole of a blessing. Vanessa Bling singer song or gospel song, and I love that song. That's in one of my thing when I play at morning time. Cause morning time I do my praise and worship. Person me I bring Jahsii go to school. I do my look up praise and worship at morning time. Me not afraid to talk to God no time. Just like when I talk to him, so I talk to him and tell him what I want. I say suffer the little children that come unto him, and that me do. Remember I know him my father, Sometimes you spend time and tell some people your business. I prefer to go sit on one side and go talk to God. And watch things manifest. God, every time when I get up, to get angry and do some things. Because me I say this now happen, look how long me I say I want that for happen, I want that, and I not get that whatever. I don't hear a voice say humble and watch God work. I always hear a voice to tell me that. And that me do, me just humble. And some people I try bring me down. I try to talk some things to me feel bad. And I say some things, me just humble. Just like what I'm mad for cuss footer. And me I say, Me not even want look Pamputtae. Me just love it. Cause at the end of the day, who is me for judge the people them we are gay? Who is me? Me no business with them, with for them lifestyle. At the end of the day, them can't bring me God, if not me can't bring them, you know. When me go work for them, you know. When me go work, you know, just like oh, you play music in a dance hall. Him play music in a dance hall. Him no know who him play for. Him no know who him play for, you know. Cause everybody have some Batman in the dance hall with them money pull up, you don't know. You don't know who you play for. So at the end of the day, who is me to judge them? Me can't judge the people them. When me go work for them pay me my money and my money me work for me, no business about them. Cause at the end of the day, when somebody book you for your show, you don't know if the woman is right, you don't know who, if the promoter is a bad, you don't know if him bisexual, you don't know. So who is me to judge them? I can't business with people and them life. So me have to work for my own. Cause at the end of the day, me can't call nobody and beg them nothing. Cause if I call them, them I go say, Pamputtae call them and beg them. And them I go back out them receipt and say, see ya, she text me, say she want $100 or she beg me. I'm ready for tarnish me and bring me down. And one thing with me ever have caramel and sugar and vanilla and nutmeg. My house no out of caramel. Come we drink porridge from now till the morning. Nobody can style me. Style who, you idiot? You no can't style. I don't feel like you style me. You can't style me. And I can boil caramel porridge good. I'm good at it. So nobody can style me. You mad? When me go work for the people, you know much straight people me go work for. And the first time me go foreign go work, promoter left me. Me don't know where me go sleep. Me don't know where me go live. Me don't know what happen to me. Our man and him woman and him pity them help me and off you right through and bring me go places and do the things them for me. Promoter left me the first time I got a US a Boston. One man will keep a showing me and blacks. Blacks left me. Me don't know what me I go do. Cause I don't know what kind of problem blacks have with people in a Boston. The people that show up for him show. Something did go down wrong. Me and Charles Blacks on the show the first time. And when me reach, me I tell you I'm a perform and whatever. And blacks you give me some more money, cause I say, alright then, whatever. Blacks slow we up. Me never know how. Me like a wait name, the people them could have captured we. Me never must come back to my pitney and my family them. So me no want nobody when them see me at work, me no want nobody follow me up. Cause when me at work, nobody bat in my mouth. Nobody would in my mouth, nobody not nothing bad to me. Me work, my money, who is me? Me no business with them and them life. Them book me and me work my money. Me work my money and me gone about my business, and if them call me again to come work, me I go work. Cause at the end of the day, Pamputtae do film thing and him a work. And him a collect fee money and him a fee pitting them alright. Me I pick them up alright too. Don't come tell me nothing. Cause when you get money pull up, you don't know if sometimes you get some little back pull up and you don't know. Me I tell you that. Enough little back pull up you get and you don't know. The back pull up them nothing a dance. Cause some of the man them a buy so them go both ways. And some of them love back more than pussy. So enough little back pull up you get. Instagram just never did want me go live one day, yeah. I'm kinda glad. Because when me ignorant, my chat be a who is me for judge the people them? Remember, you know, when you're 12, you know, them say response for your own sin. When you come like you watch for roll thunder. And you say that. You understand what me I say? Me don't like your style. You have some style when I'm ready. Me don't like your style, brother. Me don't like your style. You need to leave me alone. Call my name and follow me up. But no Collab and not this and not that. You understand me I say? No style and ready. No have talent too. Me have talent too. I don't like me not have talent. I don't like me. My mother dead down with my talent. Me have talent too. Me can DJ too. Me can perform too and do the things them too. All not for telling a friend themself a book Pamputtae. I say for me come no. Me I look out feet on this and say it so said, so done. Here is somebody come saying things twice again. If nothing think like all me think. Not no spice to kudu bada him. Him not think like how me think. Him a lift on the girl. And ya come with it a call me name every minute too. Why ya call me name? Stop calling me name and follow me up. And I accept life for what it is. It's not everybody start the journey with the people. I go end it with you. Someone will not subscribe to Pamputtae Viva channel. Stop following me about foolishness like me now have talent to me have good project, good music I go out. Come out, so don't subscribe to me.